So children, coming to exercise part, answer the following questions. Okay. Our first question is, what are oral traditions? Why do they form an important part of our non-material heritage? What are oral traditions? What are oral traditions? The traditional knowledge passing by the people verbally is known as oral tradition. There is a heading in the first page of this lesson, oral tradition. There you can find this answer. So traditional knowledge passing by the people verbally is known as oral tradition. Page number 84, you will get this answer. Okay, such as stories about deities, okay, medicines, rituals, skills, etc. They play an important role in our non-material heritage. How? By passing out the traditional knowledge to the new generations. So, how they play an important role, children? They play an important role in our non-material heritage by passing out the traditional knowledge to the new generations. So, the traditional knowledge passing by the people verbally is known as oral tradition, such as stories about deities, medicines, rituals, skills, etc. They play an important role in our non-material heritage by passing out the traditional knowledge to the new generations. Okay, children? Okay, now coming to the second question. What are the different types of puppets used in India? What are the different types of puppets used in India? We have learned about different kinds of puppets, isn't it, children? So what are the different types of puppets used in India? The different types of puppets used in India are string puppets, shadow puppets and glow puppets. These are the three main types of puppets used in India that already we learned. Three types of puppets: string puppets, then next puppet is shadow puppets, and last one is glow puppets. Okay. Then coming to the third question, what are folk dances? We learned about folk dances also, isn't it, children? So what are folk dances? You can see the heading of folk dances on the page 87. There you can find this answer. Okay. Folk dances are those performed by local people. These are performed on different occasions such as marriages, harvest, monsoon, etc. And some of the folk dances are Bhangra. You have to write the name of the folk dances you have learned. Okay. Some of the folk dances are Bhangra, Dandiya, Gotipua, Bihu, Chow, Karagatam and Dappukali. Okay. So what are folk dances, children? You can find this answer to this question, as I said you on the page 87. Okay. Folk dances are those performed by the local people. These are performed on different occasions like marriages, harvest, monsoon, etc. Some of the folk dances are, just you have to write the name of those folk dances. Okay. Coming to the next question, our fourth question is, name the different types of art and craft in India. The different types of art and craft in India. You have to name that. Okay, children? India, being a rich traditional country, is famous in its arts and crafts like weaving. We learned about weaving the cloth, the fabric cloth, saris and all. Weaving, painting, sculpture, art of making statue, etc. These skills have been transferred from one generation to another. How? In handicrafts, pottery, handlooms, carpets, sculptures, etc. Okay, so India being a rich traditional country is famous in its arts and crafts like weaving, painting, sculpture, etc. These skills have been transferred from one generation to other generation in handicrafts, pottery, handlooms, carpets, sculptures, etc. This is the answer of this question. Now coming to the next one, fifth one. Why is drama known as performing art? Drama is a performing art, isn't it? Why? Drama involves people from various cultures. While enacting means performing a drama, lights and costumes are very important. People perform different roles, and to enact these roles, it takes a lot of art and talent. Hence, drama is known as a performing art. So, why is drama known as a performing art, children? Drama involves people from various cultures. While enacting a drama, lights and costumes are very important. People perform different roles, and to enact these roles, it takes a lot of art and talent. That's why drama is known as a performing art. Coming to the last question, write about the uses of plants in traditional medicines in India. Uses of plants in traditional medicines in India, the last part of the lesson. Okay, trees like neem, haldi and tulsi are being used in India since many years for medical treatments as they have great medicinal values. So we are using this neem, haldi and tulsi in India since many years. Why? Because they have so much of medicinal values. Trees like neem, haldi and tulsi are being used in India since many years for medical treatments as they have great medicinal values. Neem plant is used to cure any ailments that affect the skin. Neem plant is used to treat the injuries affected in the skin, teeth, etc. Haldi is a great remedy for injuries and other physical pains. Last is tulsi. Lastly, tulsi. Tulsi is used to cure dry cough and also helps improving the immunity levels in the body for the body to fight against the disease. So this is the answer of the last question about the uses of plants in traditional medicines in India. Yes children, so coming to our next exercise part, it is fill up the following blanks. First one, the main characters of Panchatantra stories are dash. In your textbooks, see children, there is a clue kit given. You have to see the correct word from there and you have to write here. Okay? Yes children, so coming to our next exercise is fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. So the clue kit is there below the questions in your textbook. You can see the clue kit like this. Okay, bamboo, Odisha, animals, charka, kuchipudi. These are the words given in the clue kit. You have to match with the which word match with the question you have to write. Okay, the first one is the main characters of Panchatantra stories are. From the clue kit you have to see and answer. The main characters of Panchatantra stories are, yes, animals. So you have to write the answer here, animals. The main characters of Panchatantra stories are animals. Okay. Next one. Dash is known as the father of medicine in India. Who is known as father of medicine, children? See the clue kit. Yes, Charka. Charka is the father of medicine in India. Now coming to the third one. Dash craft is famous in North India. Dash craft is famous in North East India. Which craft is famous? Yes, bamboo. Craft made with bamboo. So, bamboo. Bamboo craft is famous in Northeast India. Now coming to the next question, fourth one. Gotipua is a famous folk dance of dash. Famous folk dance of which state, children? This dances, this folk dance is famous in which state? Yes, Odisha. Odisha. Okay. Now coming to the last question. The classical dance of Andhra Pradesh is. So here which one is left? Yes, the classical dance of Andhra Pradesh is nothing but Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi. Okay children? Yes. So the main characters of Panchatantra stories are animals, and the father of medicine in India is Charaka. The craft which is famous in northeast India is bamboo. Kotipu is a famous folk dance of Odisha, and the classical dance of Andhra Pradesh is Kuchipudi. Yes children. Now coming to the next exercise, write yes or no for the following statements. Okay, given are some statements. You have to read the statement. You have to see whether it is correct or wrong. If it is correct, you have to write yes. If it is wrong, you have to write no. Let's see. The first statement is Kathakali means story play. Is the statement right or wrong, children? Kathakali means story play. Yes, it is the correct statement. So the answer is yes. Now, yoga is a form of physical exercise. Is the statement correct or wrong? Yoga is a form of physical exercise. The statement is right. So the answer is yes. Now, the third statement is Sambalpuri sarees are prepared in Odisha. Is the sarees prepared in Odisha? Yes or no? Sambalpuri sarees are prepared in Odisha. The answer is yes. What about the fourth statement? The folk dance of West Bengal is Karakatam. This folk dance of Karakatam is famous in which state? Is that state is West Bengal? The folk dance of West Bengal is Karakatam. Yes or no? The Karakatam dance is famous in which state? It is famous in Tamil Nadu. So the given statement is wrong. So the answer is no. No. Because the folk dance of West Bengal is not Karagatam. Actually the folk dance this famous is in Tamil Nadu. Karagatam is a dance famous in Tamil Nadu. Now next last one. Globe puppet is also called the hand puppet. Is the answer is yes or no? The statement is correct or wrong? Globe puppet is also called the hand puppet. The answer is yes. So children see, Kathakali means story play. The answer is yes. Yoga is a form of physical exercise. The statement is correct. So answer is yes. Sambalpuri sarees are prepared in Odisha. The statement is right. So the answer is yes. Folk dance of West Bengal is Karakatam. No. The statement is wrong. So the answer is no. Globe puppet is also called hand puppet. The answer is right. So the answer is yes. Yes children, so our next exercise is match the following. Match the following. Okay. So here on the two sides you can see different words. You have to match those words. Which word matches with the other. Okay, the first one is Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam matches with which word here? Is it Kerala, Manipur, Dantiya, Natyashastra or Rao? Bharatnatyam matches with? Yes. Natya Shastra. Bharatnatyam got its name from the author of Natya Shastra, Bharat Muni. So the first one matches with Natya Shastra. This is the first answer. Okay. The second one, Kathakali, called story play, isn't it? It is developed in which country? Is it Kerala or Manipur? Yes, from Kerala. So the answer is Kerala. Second answer. Now third one, Manipuri. Manipuri is the dance of which state? From the name itself we can understand. Manipuri is the dance of, yes, dance from the state Manipur. Yes, so Manipuri matches with Manipur. So this is the third one. Okay, fourth one, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir matches with, now two left, Danti and Rauf. So the famous dance of Jammu and Kashmir is, yes, nothing but Rauf. So it matches with Rauf. So this is the answer, fourth one. The last but not the least, the last one, Gujarat. The famous folk dance of Gujarat is nothing but Dandiya. So Gujarat matches with Dandiya, isn't it? Dandiya. This is the fifth answer. Okay, children? Now match the following completed. Yes, children. So now it's time for project work. Let's see what they have given as project in your textbook. Get into groups of 4. You have to make 4 groups. Form 4 groups. Make puppets of your own using waste materials and narrate a Panchatantra story using those puppets. You have to form 4 groups. In your class, there are many students, isn't it? In your class, you can make 4 groups and make puppets using some waste material, some waste cloth, paper. You can make some puppets and you have to tell a story using those puppets. Story from Panchatantra. You can take Lion and the Mouse, Monkey and the Crocodile, any story of your wish. Next, write one dialogue of any one of your puppets that you like. Any dialogue you have to write. That's it. Okay. So try to do this project in your class, children. Okay, thank you.